Welcome back, guys. We're doing April Central Season more. And this is going to be epic, all I gotta say. Wet sand, charger, monster truck. Enjoy, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying season 15 so far. A lot more to come. Bronco movie. Sorry about the snow, guys. The extra long footage of snow. Kind of got carried away this winter. My bad. Love the snow. Wintertime's kind of like our shit, you know, when it comes to this little town. It's all about the snow, man, and how much snow we get. And the plowing. Can't forget about the plowing. And the drifting, and the sliding, and the rallying, and the breaking it down into a rally track. Hope you guys really enjoyed all this. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please let us know in the comments. MIP. Don't forget to hit the bell, stay in tune with all our new videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. See you guys in the next one.